Hello, I'm Dr. Anuja Singh. I'm an orthopedic and manual sports physiotherapist. So in a city like Dubai, most people are indoors all the time. You're exercising indoors, you're cooped up indoors for at least 6 months out of the year because the weather is so extreme. During this time, having nutrition, right, which is enriched with vitamin D, which has good sources of calcium, which is very important for the absorption of vitamin D in your body. Therefore, drinking milk, which is the best known source we know of calcium and nutrition. Evaporated milk is a great source of all these nutrients that we just spoke about, mainly because it's a more concentrated form and you get lesser cholesterol, lesser fats. So definitely evaporated milk is a great alternative. So if you're going to use an evaporated milk, you need to make sure that it has no sugar in the milk, there is lesser cholesterol in the milk, and it's got all these nutrients. It's enriched with vitamin D, calcium and vitamin A to make sure that you get the most out of your milk.